plant that seed and just wait for it to grow. But, you know, the first 3 to 4 months was no revenue. And then 2 months later, I passed 100K. And then 5 months later, we were at $1 million. So it's like when you take that time to just build, dig deep, build rapport, be authentic, build the trust, it's just a domino effect. You know, it goes so fast.
And the crazy part about it is like we know these things. Like we hear these things like build trust, build an audience, but everyone wants to skip over the process, right? It's not revolutionary, but people just don't want to do the work.
Yeah, I think some people don't know the process. So I like that you shared that with us. Of like, look, I did it for free, pretty much.
Like, yo,
literally.
I watched her. She was going live every minute review. Like I am such a fan of you because I know you deserve everything you have. Because we sit together on a weekly basis. We like go, oh my God, are you spending time doing that? You spend so much time on the front end, and like people, I say this all the time. Amateurs make money on the front end, experts make money on the back end. So you spent the time to build that trust, and now you're making your back end money. You deserve it because you put in the work.